Hey guys, what's up? I'm back and I have here another box, which means it's going to be another unboxing video. Now, I will admit that as of late, I've been pretty MIA, but that's simply because I came back from my vacation and there was just a whole lot to do and I really wanted to finish up my room, so I'm here. I saw this on Beirut Contessa's Instagram and I was like, why do you do this to me? Now I need to have this in my life. So I made a purchase and it's here today. So if you don't already know, Beirut Contessa, she's like my anthurium dealer. Yeah, that's how I would explain it, because she has all these exotic anthuriums and hybrids that I haven't really ever seen before, and they're very unique because they do come from like the dock block collection in Tazula. So check out her Instagram if you haven't already, and if you are interested in making a purchase, just send her a message. I'm sure she would be happy to answer any questions you may have. But I really want to open up this box right now because I've been waiting all day for this, and the weather has been kind of cold. It's been really cold, so I kind of rushed home to open up this bad boy. And I'm sorry if my camera shakes just a little bit. Tofu has made an appearance, so she's over there. Oh, okay. So we're viewing this for the first time together, so let's do this. And Tofu's here. Anyways, so this is how it came. She used some insulation, which I totally appreciate, thank you. And we have some bubble wrap, and oh, it's secure, you guys. It's secure and taped into the box, and here we go. So this one is the Anthurium Carla. She's fine. Anyways, so this one is the Anthurium Carla. This one, I am most excited about this one. This one, I believe, is the Anthurium Tazula red crystallinum crossed with a luxurian. So it's gonna be stunning. So this is how it comes packaged. We have all these fluff. Oh, she's so pretty. Tofu, come here. Up, come on. She's so pretty. What do you think? Do you like it? I think Tofu approves. Oh my god. Okay, so I want this to focus here. I am so in love. I hope this actually picks up the sheen. Hold on, I gotta get up close and personal for this. Look at this. So like I said, this is the red crystallinum crossed with a luxurian. So, oh, it's putting out a new leaf too. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and say this now, but I think this is going to be my most favorite anthurium out of my entire collection. Mind you, I have several anthuriums. I have a crystallinum, a magnificum, a forgetii, a dark forgetii, a silver blush. I have a crystallinum crossed with a magnificum. It's huge, actually. But this is very special, and the reason for that is because of the red crystallinum genetics that it has. Now, I don't know if you've seen a red crystallinum, which also reminds me, I probably should ask Beirut Contessa for a red crystallinum, because Why don't I have that in my collection? Anyways, I digress. A red crystallinum is super special because its leaves are very dark. It almost runs purple. At least to me, it runs purple, not like black. It's not quite black. It leans more purple to me. And its veins. It's not just silver, but it has like these red veins that go through it. And I find that like the emerging leaves actually come out this way, and you can really appreciate the hues it has. Whereas like as it gets older and it hardens off, it's gonna almost look kind of basic, but not really. Like you still see some of the characteristics of it having purple hues. But yeah, I think that's the reason why I'm going to appreciate this a lot more, because of the emerging leaf. And I have one here that is starting to come out, so I'm excited. So follow me on my Instagram if you haven't or you're not already, because I'm gonna show you guys how this thing looks once it starts to emerge. And also the leaves itself is unique because of the luxurian genes. So you can see that it has these textures on the leaves, and it has this beautiful sheen. Now I do have a luxurian over here. It is a little bit damaged. It's been neglected, and the reason for that is because my plant room got really hot, and then I started, you know, changing things up, and I started neglecting it and put it outside during the summer. Note to self and everybody else, don't throw your plants outside when it's hot. At least don't throw it outside if you don't have a greenhouse. That's what I learned. But and anyways, this luxurian, you can see the texture on this. The petiole is unique in its own way because it has different sides, and it does have a sheen. It looks kind of dull right now, but I promise you it has like this beautiful sheen when it's coming out. So I'll probably have to show you guys what it looks like when the new leaf comes out, because the growth point is looking kind of gnarly right now. But anyways, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is going to be my most favorite anthurium out of my entire collection, or at least until Bare Root Contessa shows me another anthurium hybrid. But for now, this is the winner. So another anthurium that I had picked up from Bare Root Contessa is actually this Anthurium Carla. Now, it is a seedling, which is why it's in this little container. Nothing too special. It's not really doing anything right now, simply because it is a seedling. So hopefully in the next couple of months it kind of takes off. Let me see. Oh, yeah, it has like the tiniest little root. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. It's like the tiniest little root and the cutest little chunky leaf. So, sorry guys, the lighting is all off right now, but it's not doing anything right now. That's all I'm saying. But hopefully it grows up to look like this. And you know, personally, I don't gravitate towards dark anthuriums, but this one in particular I actually really like, because the parent of this seedling, the veins the veins are actually quite narrow, and it runs differently than all the other anthuriums. Most of the anthuriums that I own all have like similar veinings, meaning like the pattern and the direction it's going. But this one, not really. It runs a little bit differently, so I'm curious to see how this is going to turn out. So I'm excited for that. And I may end up actually putting it in a different container later on when I have the time this weekend. But alright, so now I want to show you guys an update on my hybrids that I received from Bare Root Contessa. And in this hand I have the Zara Michelle 2nd generation and 3rd generation, and this one is the Magnificum and Zara Michelle. So let's start with this one. So this one, as I had mentioned, was the Zara Michelle 2nd generation crossed with a 3rd generation, and I have movements that I hope I can show you, which is crazy because I didn't think I was gonna have movements. I don't know why I didn't think I was gonna have movements. I guess I didn't see like fast growth, I figured I was doing something wrong. But anyways, here she is. And it's giving me little baby leaves. Just little baby leaves. And it has this like one long root, but it's trying to do the most right now. Hopefully it continues to grow and maybe gets a little bit bigger. Now I feel like I stunted the growth because I made a boo-boo, and that boo-boo was I didn't wring out enough water from the moss. So I think you know, it kind of struggled just a little bit because it may have had too much water, but hopefully it's fine now. I'm gonna actually just stop messing with it. And this one, as I had said, is the Magnificum crossed with a Zara Michelle. So hopefully it gets nice and big, but you can see this is the newest leaf right here. And let me see if I can maneuver this. You see the leaf in the back? There's 2 of them back there, and it's grown in size. I'm actually quite impressed. So, and it's very well rooted too. So I'm definitely not gonna mess with this one. I'm just gonna put it down. And lastly, this one is my Ace of Spades and Queen mix hybrid. Now, I believe I started off with 2. And like I said, I goofed. There was too much water. But there is a new leaf that's coming out. So originally I started off with 2 leaves, and now I only have 1. But on that petiole I see another another leaf that's trying to emerge. So hopefully this will help it grow once I close and give it 100% humidity and leave it alone for another several weeks. I don't anticipate any of these seedlings to really do anything until like almost 6 months, I would say. Some grow faster than others, depending on its genetics, and yeah, basically it's genetics. So I don't know. I'm just happy that they're alive and putting off leaves. So those are all of my Anthurium hybrids. My collection is starting to grow, and although they look fairly small right now, I'm sure they're gonna get nice and big in the next several months. And when I say several months, I'm thinking 6 to 9 months. I don't know. I'll update you guys when there's something to update you. But in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.